months. Let me see if I can break this down for everybody. Ms. Reynolds, you're saying there's a change of
Ms. Lemon?
circumstance.
I'm
I'm
sorry,
sorry, Miss
just to make
Lemon,
sure.
Miss
Okay,
Lemon. Forgive me.
okay,
I'm looking down at one of the pleadings and it says Reynolds versus Reynolds. So that's what
right,
I'm looking down, looking at my notes and reading. And forgive me, but the court filings and the dockets will always say Reynolds. They don't change it to Lemon. It's
right,
what
I
it
understand,
was
yeah.
incepted as. So what we've got here is the basis for your change of circumstance is essentially that he changed jobs and that he the overnights went from 182 and a half to 185 versus 180. That's your pleading.
No, that is not. To clarify that, if you look at my pleading, it says that my job has changed, his job has changed, and that the original agreement was made under false
Well,
information.
the original agreement has been ratified by the court, so I'm stuck with it. Okay. What is the change in your job?
I was a full-time student
Okay.
and doing real estate, and as we know, real estate has
Right.
tanked completely. So
Right.
have been trying to find a job now that I have graduated, but because of the, yes, corrupt nature of the court, there's a felony on my record and
Mhm.
that should not be there. And so I'm
Okay.
struggling to gain employment.
All right. Well, my problem is this. I need a major change of circumstance to review
That's
child support. That's been the
major.
problem. That's been the problem all along. So you're saying you don't have an income now?
Correct. And Dave moved to Tennessee. I think that's pretty major too. He bought a house in Tennessee.
That's not
Changed
what
his
his pleading
house.
says.
Excuse me?
Where does Mr. Reynolds live? He lives in, according to his response, he lives here in Grand Rapids.
Uh,
I live
when
in
I
Colorado.
requested this entire child support review, he bought a house in Tennessee and he still owns that house in Tennessee.
He can own a house in Tennessee, but if he's living here in Grand Rapids,
Okay.
that's not a change.
Well, it
My
is
only my my
because
only question here is, since this, I need to know what his income changed because the job changed. So what information I need is this. I need information from his current contract. And if it is the same income, we do not have a change of circumstance and we're stuck with the 36 months by law.